first unit is Ruud. There's some units at the building next to us too. I'm gonna go to those though, since it's a bank and it's really active. It's a 1997 5-ton. And then here's a Goodman. Definitely newer. And it's also a heat pump. And has it been running? Can't tell, I don't think so though. Actually, I take that back, it has been running. There's condensation all over the bottom and it hasn't really rained. Actually, last night it did. 2017. Another 5-ton.
I'm not gonna bother getting data.
I don't think it's been running. It rained last night, so that's probably why there's water in it. And then right here, there's a Rheem or a Ruud. Voice crack. Yep, heat pump. This one has been running. This one has been running. Yep, Rheem. This one's a 2008 5-ton.
How's the Copa scroll? You can see it right there.
It may start up. The pad is actually cracking. And that was, I'm guessing, maybe original. On that Goodman, I forgot to get a shot of the Goodman logo right here.